We have Gracie and Ella and Paige ready to drive their truck. This is one of the slowest loading vehicles. Who's nervous? Oh, I think you'll do okay. Just keep it on the road, okay? I think we're gonna start. You guys are crazy!
See Ella smile.
I know, she thinks she's really driving.
Y'all focus on the road.
Look at Jeff run. Go, Jeff, go!
He runs all that way just to get past. I mean, they know which way to turn.
I know.
That's good.
Ella turn. Look at her looking like she's she's watching the road, making sure she's not hitting anything.
She doesn't look very much in front of her, but
No, it's mostly on the side.
around is.
Do they just go around once? Make sure you put the brakes on. Putting the brakes on? All right. I'm trying to make it